Welcome back, everyone. Got a quick update about something I found at Home Depot. Make this quick. You guys gotta check this out. Go check the Home Depot's buyer stores if they have them, because this is the deal of the month. So, you know the the Ryobi half-inch impact gun wrench is going for 99 bucks, right? And they're closing out the kits. So right now, if you look online, just type in Ryobi impacts. Go all the way down to the last one. The 4 amp hour battery, the charger, and the impact is on clearance for $41. Now, the stores are out of them, but as you can see, it was marked down to, what does it say? 127, right? Which, see that? Isn't nothing to write home about, right? Because I think originally it was 145 or something. So again, you get 4 amp hour battery, charger, and half-inch 3-speed impact wrench, right? I went there, I found this, I'm like, yes, last one. I went up there, I'm like, hey, will you match the price that's online? It's 41 bucks. So let me bust out my receipt to prove it to you guys. I saved $85.80 on this. I paid, with tax, was $44.84 for their Ryobi half-inch impact wrench, green rapid charger, and a 4 amp hour P108 battery. Let's show you my receipt here. Saved 85 bucks. 41.70 with tax was 44.84. And let's see, what's the date today? 6/9 at 6:32 p.m. So about an hour ago, give or take. Go check your local Home Depots, guys. This is a killer find. All right, let's open this bad boy up real quick. See what we get. So you guys don't think I'm lying. I can't believe this. This just made my freaking month. Smell that brand new Ryobi goodness. 3-speed, half-inch pin detent anvil. Brand new, what's the green charger called? It's the P117 rapid charger. And then, brand new P108. See who's got any juice? And it's shipped with 2 bars. Moment of truth. Does it work? Full speed. Smell those brushes burning. I haven't used a brush tool in a while. Yeah, this is the P261. Don't forget my son over there playing with his new lightsaber. Alright guys, so I just want to get this out to you real quick. Stay tuned, because we're going to be doing some head-to-heads with this new tool, this bad boy. We're going to be seeing if it really is rated for, I think it says 300 foot-pounds of torque. And I have the older P260, which is rated for 200 foot-pounds of torque. So we're going to be testing these out. I'm going to try to get some other impacts, and we're going to go head-to-head with them later on at a later time. There you go, guys. Go check your Home Depots. Go hit up those clearance sections. What I do, I usually do a lap around the whole store, and I check the end caps. And then this was actually on the clearance. It was like a little square cage thing. They had this stuff clearance, but it was in the middle of the tool aisle, the nuts and bolts aisle. So, because I was looking for it, because I had saw it yesterday, and then I went back today because we got a bunch of patio furniture. We got 2 love seats and a glass table, $19 a piece. Are you freaking kidding me? So they're clearancing out everything, man. Go check out your local Home Depot. They have some killer deals going on. Like I said, this right now is $41 online. They'll honor it in the store. I just got, $150 tool for 44 bucks. Can't beat that. Freaking made my day. All right, guys, hit me up down below in the comments if you have any questions. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, find of the end of the summer, I'll say it. 1/2-inch Ryobi impact wrench. On sale now for $99. I got the whole kit, $44.80. Yeah, $44.84. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks for your time. See ya.